I believe that tidying up is more than organizing. It's a transformative event that happens to your life. I am originally from Romania, but I live for the last 12 years in a little small town in Germany called Schwäbisch Gmünd. I became certified this year in February. I first discovered the KonMari method through the Netflix series Tidying Up with Marie Kondo, and later on through her books. And it really resonated with me because I was looking for more clarity in my life and more intentionality in my life, and I really resonated to that. Marie's philosophy, it's not only about tidying up. So the KonMari method changed my life by being more intentional about the things I want to have around me. After all, it's not about having less, but having more about what's important to you, what sparks joy for you, and what is your true values in life. And it's also about self-awareness and gratitude, and all of these things are the things that I want to create into my life that are also aligning with me. And this shift in your mindset, it's really important it's a step to create a life that you want and bring more clarity. After all, it's all that I want to teach my clients about. One of the biggest insights I have is that decluttering is very personal. So every client is different and everybody has his own journey. And the key to success is to be impatient and to just listen to your clients. And sometimes only by listening you can do so much more about it. I've also realized that physical clutter is also tied with the emotional clutter, and helping clients let go of the things they don't want in their lives. It's also have a greatest impact in a different area of their lives. For example, 2 of my clients also are making steps into a new career, and exactly that's how the magic of this method is happening.